Okay, before I start today's video, I have a big announcement to make to you all. You know what's the one thing that I have been asked again and again since I started my YouTube journey? It's when will I start my own podcast? Let me tell you, the wait is over. If you like what I say and like listening to me, you will now be able to listen to me on my podcast exclusively on Spotify. It's launching very soon. For the time being, go ahead and download the Spotify app. I'll share the link of my podcast with you as soon as it is up. Only on Spotify, I promise. Yoo-hoo! Hi everyone, my name is Alina Reis. Let's focus on one problem area of yours. The problem area of expecting the results to come in very quickly. You want to learn English very fast. You don't want to give it years. You just want to start like this and you want to be over with this like this. It doesn't work that way. Okay, the thing is that you are expecting the results to come in very quickly, but it will never work that way. Okay, it has to seep into your subconscious. It has to become your second nature. Now, how will you do that? It's simple. Whenever you're talking, what you're doing is you are trying to express yourself. You're trying to express an idea, right? Now, instead of focusing on the language, how fancy you're sounding, or how fluent you are, or what the other person is thinking about you, instead of bothering about these couple of things, if you just focus on verbalizing your idea, there's something going on in my head and I have to verbalize it in order to communicate about it to somebody. Okay, so all I have to do is I have to focus on the idea and how to verbalize it rather than focusing on my language and how beautifully it is coming out of my mouth. Now, I'll tell you from my own example. When I was beginning to learn the language, it was difficult for me. No news for you. I'm sure you understand that. It's very obvious. Whenever you start to learn something that is not a very normal part of your environment, it takes effort. So when I was trying to learn the language in the beginning, it used to take me guts. It used to test my confidence. It wasn't easy. So how did I do that? I used to push myself. I used to push myself into testing myself. I would ask myself, I would actually convince myself that I have to speak the language in order to become good at it, right? So in the beginning, it was difficult. In the beginning, it would test my confidence. But as I kept doing it, and trust me, I made a lot of mistakes. I used to fumble sometimes mid-sentence. The rest of the sentence would just not come out of the mouth. It was like a fight. Okay, how do I complete what I've started? Okay, there's something I'm saying, but mid-sentence, now I'm actually hunting for words. Nothing is coming to my mind. It's embarrassing. But then, if you are convinced that if you've started something, you have to end the sentence. You've started the sentence, you have to end the sentence. If you're convinced it will happen, trust me on this. If you're convinced that you have to complete the sentence in English, you'll be able to complete it in English. All you have to do is just fight till the end. Okay, don't give up mid-sentence. Just keep doing this very often. Just try and make it a habit. Okay, you know how to make habits. You've made habits in the past. You've tried doing things in the past that you wanted to learn and you've done those things. You are pretty good at them now. I'm sure if you want to sit down and list a few of those, you'll be able to come up with at least a couple of those. You just have to do the same here. Percentage by percentage, it will start getting easier for you. Starting is always hard, no matter what you do. It is always difficult. But once you start on the journey, things start getting okay. All you've got to do is be smart, okay? Use the opportunities. If you see an opportunity, don't let that go. Use it, test yourself, be patient, all right? Be patient, just give it some time. I'm telling you, percentage by percentage, the work is gonna come down, effort is gonna come down, and fluency is gonna come up. Okay, that's how it happens with everybody. It's gonna happen the same way for you. In the beginning, you will make a lot of errors. Don't get disheartened. It is the same for everybody. And it is the same for every skill. I'll give you an example. When you start to make rotis in the beginning, they are never round. And I make round rotis now. They weren't good for me earlier. So it's always, with time you learn how to get that round shape on the roti. So it happens this way here too. And lastly, I would just say that by saying that give it time, I don't want to say that make it your lifetime project. Don't. Okay, just start with it and get over with it. Just be done with it. Get it done with. Enjoy your life once you have that confidence, because nowadays I believe English is what is used everywhere in your workplace and around you. So of course, if you learn the language, it is going to get easier for you to communicate. And I'm sure it is going to bring you a lot of confidence. That's something I always say. That is all for the video today. Thank you very much. Keep posting your queries to us. Keep telling me what is disturbing you, and I promise whenever I find a good query in the comment section, I happen to make a video on it. I'm gonna do the same. Subscribe to stay in touch, and I'll be back with more such content. I promise. See you again soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.